This is a video to kind of walk you through how to do the project. So we have our weight of our patients at the hospital, and we have that weight in pounds. Now, I'm going to start out with that weight. I'm going to make sure I do all of my conversions first. And then after I do that, then I can enter this into Excel. And so first I have my weight in pounds of my patient. So patient A. So I have my weight in pounds. Now I have to get rid of pounds, so that's going to go in the bottom. And now I need kilograms on top because my CalFlex is equal to 20 milligrams per kilogram. And I'm going to put this time today. So I'm going to write this a little differently than what is given in your project. Okay. So now that I have that, and I have kilograms here and kilograms here, so I'm going to write this as 20 milligrams per kilogram per day, like this. So my kilograms cancel, my pounds cancel. I'm going to put this number in later. And so now that I have this, now I have 1 day, and then I have 2 doses per day. Okay, so I have days done, so now I have milligrams per dose, which gives me how much I will give that patient on that particular dose. And so with that, we can then compare that to what we have in the chart given to us. So compare to what's in the chart. And this is to answer my questions. So this is my calculations. So I have my pounds over here, kilograms, pounds down here. So I can cancel all of these things. Now my kilograms per pound, if I look at my conversion sheet, that gives me 0.0 0.454 . let me erase that. 4, 5, 3, 6. Okay, so I have 0.4536 kilograms in 1 pound. So now all I need to do is enter my patient weight here, and I have my calculations in milligrams per dose. So now what I'm going to do is I am now going to go to Excel. And so I have this information. So now I'm going to enter this into Excel. Okay. So I have my Excel here. So I'm going to label my columns. So currently, I have my weight in pounds here, my weight in kilograms here, kilograms here, and then this is my dosage amount, and this is my dosage per day, and then this is my amount per dosage. And so so this is a good start. So now I'm going to work on my Excel. And so I'm going to share my other screen with you as well. Can I not share both screens? Okay, so I guess I cannot. So now I'm going to enter all of this into Excel. Okay, so I'm going to label my things up here. So weight, so patient. So I have patient A. And now I have the weight of that patient, weight in pounds. And next I have the weight in kilograms. And then I have the dosage amount. Then I have the dosage per day. And then I have the amount per dosage. Okay. So now that I have all of these various elements, I now can enter these things into Excel. And so I'm going to erase what I have down here so that I can see what I'm doing in Excel. Okay, so I'm going to double click. I'm going to put my mouse here where I can double click these and get them to where I can show all of my columns. So I double clicked on all the lines to get all my columns. This is patients A, B, C, G, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So now my weight is, say my weight of my patient is 142 pounds. Okay. Now my weight in kilograms, remember when I did my conversion, so when I did my conversion down here, I had that 0.4 for 0.4536 kilograms per 1 pound. So I'm going to enter that into Excel. So 0.4536. That is my weight in kilograms, and that's over 1. So I'm going to put that over 1. Okay, so now dosage amount is the 20, because here I had the 20 milligrams in kilograms days, 1 day. So now I'm going to place 20 in here. So I'm just putting this conversion into Excel. Now dosage per day, remember I had in this piece, I had 1/2, 1 day, 2 doses. So I'm going to put 1/2 in this here. So I've got to put an equal sign. So I put 1 divided by 2 in here, but that did not give me the calculation. So how do I change that? I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to go to my home tab up here. And I'm going to go, instead of general, I'm going to change this to number. And now I've got to enter this in one more time, 1 divided by 2, that will give me 0.5. So whatever's in these are fractions, if you want to look at them that way, and they're multiplied times each other. Okay, so now I should get my amount per dosage, but how do I do that? How do I have Excel calculate that for me? So I have my amount per dosage. So I'm going to calculate this via a formula. So I'm going to put equals, and then I'm going to click on my weight of my patient A. Then I'm going to press the multiplication symbol. Then I'm going to press on the weight in kilograms, multiplication symbol, weight of dosage, multiplication symbol, and dosage per day. And then I'm going to hit enter. So my amount of dosage per day that I would need for this particular person with this amount of calculation is this amount of Kelplex. And this again is milligrams per dosage. You might want to put milligrams up here so you know that it's milligram per dosage. And so I have 142 pounds, 0.4536 kilograms, and then 20 dosage per day, 1/2, so I get 644. Now, what do I do if I want all of my patients to do the same calculation here? I'm just going to pull down these numbers in Excel. So I'm going to put my little cross thing on the bottom right-hand corner and pull that down. Now I do that the same thing for my amount per dosage. And then if I enter in random weights, 111, 140, and 136, then I get my amount of Kelflex that I would need to have per dosage. This is how I do the calculations in Excel. Now I can compare this number to the numbers in the chart that I'm given in the project, and that will, if the number is less than that number, then the hospital gave them too much. If the number in Excel is more than, then the hospital gave them, or if this is more than what the hospital gave them, the hospital didn't give them enough. But if this number is the same as the number in the chart, then the hospital gave them the right amount of medicine. And then write a report on the errors and what you found in Excel, and submit both of those, both the report and the Excel document in D2L. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.